when family comes to visit. Just doing the lawn and the garden, and here comes one of our wonderful cousins flying over to say hello. Oh my gosh, that's so awesome. Oh yeah. Can't land, not allowed, but we always say, do a drive over. Awesome. Oh, he's turning around. You see him? And he's driving over the other way. Awesome. When family stops over, you gotta love it. Oh, cool. Nice. So awesome. He's gonna do one more before he goes to the airport? No. Getting some altitude. Heading back to the airport. Cool. What a good night in the skies. Cool, eh? Country living, the rural lifestyle, eh?